Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this lecture, we are going to see the topics formatted input and output functions, format specifiers and escape sequences, printf and scanf functions in C language. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. Formatted input and output functions. Every program takes some data as input and generates processed data as output. So in every programming language we are going to write programs. In every program we have to give some data, we have to input some data. That data is input and the program must has to be processed, must has to do some process. After processing, a particular result will be displayed, result will be provided as the output. That is the purpose of a program. C supports a rich set of input-output functions to accept input and to produce output. The input data which is defined in a specific format is called formatted input, and the output data which is ordered in a specific format is called formatted output. C provides standard input-output functions or formatted input-output functions to facilitate the program for inputs and outputs. See here, C language provides standard input-output functions. These standard input-output functions are also called as formatted input-output functions. These functions make our program make our program to accept inputs and to produce outputs. In C library, stdio.h header file contains the definitions of formatted input-output functions. So all the formatted input-output functions are already predefined and they are stored in stdio.h header file. This header file is stored in the C standard library. So to use these formatted input-output functions in a program, we must include the stdio.h header file to our program first. See here, from the C language library, stdio.h header file must be included to our program first. After including the stdio.h header file only, we can use the formatted input-output functions. Next, we will see what are the formatted input function. What is a formatted input function available in stdio.h? In C language, scanf function is the formatted input function or the standard input function, and it is available in stdio.h header file. In stdio.h header file, there is one standard input function, one formatted input function. That function is scanf function. Scanf function is used to read the input from the keyboard which is entered by the user. So when you are running your program, when you are executing your program, you have to provide some data as the input to the program. At that time, scanf function is used to read the input which is entered by the user from the keyboard. The following syntax illustrates the use of scanf function. So let's see what is the syntax to use scanf function. The syntax is scanf, within the double quotes format specifiers we have to write, and then comma, ampersand variable 1, ampersand variable 2, up to so on, ampersand variable n. Let's see one example. Scanf, within the double quotes, these %d and %d are format specifiers. These two are format specifiers. %d is the format specifier. It represents the integer values. After format specifiers, comma, ampersand a, comma, ampersand b. Let's see what are these statements included in scanf syntax, scanf function. Let's see. Here, the format specifiers are used to specify the format of the input data, and they should be written in double quotes as within the double quotes %d comma %d. See, format specifiers are used to specify the format of the input data. Means these format specifiers specifies the type of data, which type of input data is going to be entered into program. That is the use of format specifiers. And these format specifiers must be written inside the double quotes, as shown in the example. Ampersand symbol is the address operator of a variable. In the above example, ampersand A is the address of a variable A and ampersand B is the address of variable B. Next we will see what is the formatted output function. In C language, printf function is the formatted output function or standard output function, and it is available in stdio.h header file. Printf is the formatted output function, it is the standard output function, and this function is predefined function and it is available in stdio.h header file. Printf function is used to display the output on the screen which is generated by the program. So if you run your program, the program must produce an output. That output should be displayed on the screen by using printf function. The following syntax illustrates the use of printf function. Let's see the syntax, how to use printf function, how to write printf function. Printf within the double quotes control string, comma, variable 1, variable 2 up to so on, variable n, at the end we have to write semicolon. Let's see one example for this syntax. Printf within the double quotes /n, values of a and b are %d, comma %d, double quotes close, comma a, comma b. So this is the example. Let's see what is a control string, what is the use of mentioning variables inside the printf. Here the control string is used to specify the format and the order of the output data, and it should be written within the double quotes as shown in the example. Within the double quotes /n, values of a and b are %d, comma %d. Here /n is the escape sequence character. Values of a and b are, this is the user defined text. %d, comma %d, these two are format specifiers for integer values. Control string can have the combination of user defined text, format specifiers and escape sequence characters within the double quotes. The variable names are passed as the arguments to printf function to print their values on the screen. Here inside the printf function we are passing the arguments as variables. So whatever the value is stored in that variable, that value should be printed on the screen as the output here. Next, let's see what are the format specifiers available in C language. The format specifier is used during input and output. So during accepting the input, during producing the output, format specifiers are used. A format specifier is used to tell the compiler what type of data is in a variable during taking input using scanf function and printing the output using printf function. See, during accepting the input from the scanf function and producing the output from the printf function, the format specifiers must be used to tell the compiler which type of data is available inside a variable. That is the use of format specifiers. The format specifiers can be used in both printf function and scanf function. So we can write format specifiers inside the printf function and inside the scanf function as the arguments. Format specifier starts with a percentile symbol and followed with a character like percentage C, comma percentage D, etc. These percentage C and percentage D, these two are the examples of format specifiers. So in this way we have to write format specifier. Let us see the list of format specifiers available in C language. Let's see the list now. The following is the list of format specifiers available in C language. This is the list. This table is containing format specifiers and their meaning. Let's see one by one now. Percentage C represents character values. Percentage D represents integer values. Percentage F is used to represent float values. Percentage S represents string values here. So if you want to take input, if you want to produce output, then you have to mention for percentage C for the characters, percentage D for the integers, percentage F for the float values, percentage S for the string values. So these are the format specifiers. These are the format specifiers available in C language. Next, we will see what are the escape sequence characters available in C language. In C programming language, C language supports a concept called escape sequence. Almost many programming languages support these escape sequence characters. When a character is preceded by a backslash and it is called as an escape sequence character, such as /n and /t, etc. Here /n and /t are the examples of escape sequence characters. So in this way we have to write escape sequences. Escape sequence character has a special meaning to the compiler. Each and every escape sequence character is used for a specific purpose inside the text. So next, escape sequence characters are mostly used in printf function. Mostly the printf function uses escape sequence characters while printing the output on the screen. Next we will see what are the escape sequence characters available in C language. Let's see now. So this is the table containing escape sequence characters and their meaning or usage. Let's see one by one each. Here /n, it is used to insert a new line in the text. So if you want to move to the next line, then you have to use /n inside the printf within the double quotes. So all these escape sequence characters must be written inside the double quotes within the printf function. Next, /t, it is used to insert a tab space inside the text. /single quote, it is used to insert a single quote in the user defined text. /double quotes, it is used to insert double quotes inside the text. Double /, it is used to insert a backslash inside the text. So these are the escape sequence characters available in C language, and all these escape sequence characters mostly used in printf function. It is used to provide the output in a specific order. It is used to provide a specific format for the output data. So this is the topic of formatted input function, formatted output functions, escape sequence characters and format specifiers supported by C language. I hope you understand all these topics. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject related videos. I am providing the links of another C language topics inside this in the video description of this. If you want to learn more topics, then you can watch the videos by using those links. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, watch, like, share. Thank you.